Welcome back to all of you on my channel. This is Samiruddin and you are watching Samiruddin Consultancy YouTube channel. In previous video, we have discussed what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript and how to a website works. Now we are going to discuss some important tool which necessarily required in web development. So without wasting our time, let's get started. If you want to build a web application or any kind of landing page, then you need a text editor. Same as you also need a web browser to displaying the result. There are many web browsers are there like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, etc. But I'll prefer you to use Google Chrome because as a web developer, you will get many developer tools in Chrome which will boost your coding ability. And most of the people over the internet are using Chrome browser. Even if you do not have it, then you know how to download it. So let's go fast and download it. I am waiting here. Now talking about text editor, there are many text editors like Notepad, Atom, Sublime Text, Adobe Dreamweaver and Visual Studio Code. I want to suggest to use VS Code, but if you are a beginner in programming, then you should use Notepad for a month to remember the syntaxes properly. Everybody has its own opinions and I have a blog post on samiruddinconsultancy.co.in in which you will get all informations related to these best text editors to write HTML code. Now you can think that while we can write in Notepad, why use another editor? You can write in Notepad exactly, but if you want to make your workflow faster, and many things are available in VS Code IDE which can make the code easier by doing it. There are lots of extensions which can make easier to writing the code. Of course, we will discuss that in upcoming videos. Apart from that, if you download VS Code, it will give you the suggestions and will make your workflow easier. And we can coding very easily with multiple tabs. So without wasting time, let's go to download and install VS Code. And you guys don't have to do anything, only write VS Code in Google search engine. And this is free open source IDE from Microsoft. I would like to give suggestion to everyone that everyone should write code on VS Code because you will definitely enjoy to working with it. And here you are watching download for Windows. I will click on it. You can also choose according to your recommendations. This is approx 56 MB software. I think it will not take much time to download. After downloading, please run this download installer. It will show some license agreement as soon as you run this installer. So read it quickly and accept the license agreement. You can check all the checkboxes here and click on install button. As soon as you click on install, your VS Code will start to getting installed. It can take a little time to install. You will see a finish button as soon as it is installed. You will see a finish button as soon as it is installed. You have to click that finish button. After downloading, you can open it. So you can search here. Its interface will open as you click. Here the option of open folder can be seen here. From here you can open whatever type of folder. I am closing right now. Now we will create a folder in the desktop called Web Development Made Easy. Now right click, and what you see here is the open with code option, and you can open any folder in this manner, and you can see the Web Development Made Easy folder is open now. You can open a folder in VS Code, and you can also open a file in VS Code. If you are not very familiar with VS Code, don't worry, I'll tell you everything that you need. And I am also going to make a separate video on VS Code. And I am going to tell a lot of tricks about VS Code which will make coding much easier for you. As we know, a file of .html extension is made of writing HTML code. From here we can create many files inside this folder. So let's create SameerUddinConsultancy.html. So here Sameeruddin Consultancy HTML file has been created. It is understood from this bracket that is a HTML file. It means this is a HTML file. Now let's make another file called SameerUddinConsultancy.css and SameerUddinConsultancy.js that denoted CSS and JavaScript. These are different types of files that you can see here, and HTML, CSS and JS are the extensions of these files. We will not go in CSS and JS right now. We will discuss it in upcoming videos because now we are going to start HTML tutorial. So let's go to know a little bit more about the VS Code. I want to tell you something in short. Let me tell you a little bit more about VS Code. As soon as you write here exclamation mark, emit abbreviation will be written here. As soon as you click on it, you will get a basic HTML code, which we are also called basic boilerplate. You can also create your own website by editing it. May I write the SameerUddin Consultancy in the title here? If you type something here, it will give you a suggestions. By hitting enter, it auto complete the codes. You can change the setting of the code by clicking here. We will learn more about the VS Code, but now just understand. Here is your open folder and here is your created file. If you want to create a folder, click here, and if you want to create a file, then click here. This is refresh button. You can also search here, and here you can see a Git option are available. There is a very important things here because you will find all kind of extension that will make your coding easier. You can understand it like Android Play Store. Here you will get many extensions which will boost your workflow, which we will talk about in another video in details, but right now I want to install very important extension called Live Server. If you will be connected to the internet, as soon as you write here Live Server and just click on install. After installing it, an option will appear here which is go live, and as soon as you click on it, so it will open your website with refresh. Now after trying something in it, look here is reflected without reloading it. So that's why it is called Live Server, and this is the work of Live Server. I hope you are ready to write your first code. In the upcoming videos, we will learn HTML in depth. So in upcoming videos, we will know more about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also know how to build a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, how we will use these things in integrated way. So if you like this video, then you will definitely like it. Share it to your friends also, because this course is going to be very important nowadays. And you must have subscribed to my channel, because I am going to bring many important courses in the upcoming time, which will be free of cost available on my YouTube channel and my blog. Now allow your friend. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.